So these are standard shapes. There are quite a few in there, as you have seen when I click this. But we can add as many as you want. There will be still something missing anytime. So the next thing would be, I have a polyline that I can convert into a semi-finished product with the command free semi-finished product, which is new since a few releases back. So I can click this, a dialog opens, preview is empty, no outlines, and there is the button new. When I click it, I'm asked to specify the outlines of the profile, right click, and then specify the base point, where I choose mid between points now. And that way I made these polylines a profile. They are blue, they are aluminum because material is assigned, and the first one in the list here is aluminum, but it could also be a different one like plastic. Then it's yellow, matching to the materials library of ATHENA. So let's go back to aluminum and I click OK. Zoom a little in and out so that the drawing is refreshed. And here I have now the profile. When I click the command again, I find it also in the free semi-product dialog, where I can choose all elevations. Plan elevation from top, for example. Let me draw something here downwards as elevation, but also when I repeat it, I could choose 3D as any other elevation and can draw a real 3D profile. Again, let's have a look at it in 3D, maybe also conceptual shaded. So here's the real 3D profile, and there are the elevations. But these are objects. They know what they are, so I can also switch the display mode. I can select object to solid body, which converts the 2D elevations to 3D. When I rotate it a little to get a better view, I can also do a cutting, as with any 3D bar. I add this as a boundary object, choose Might Mutual, and the cutting is done. When I want to do it again, I can repeat the command or use the copy cutting command, where I simply select the cutting and the bars that are cut the same way, which is a little faster. And that is what I can do with the free semi-finished product. For the real 3D bar, there's quite a little missing that I will show you now. You find it here on the left side, this profile. This is where we want to come to at the end of these videos. Not this one, but the last one of the series, where we can create something like this. These are intelligent bars. When I make a double click on it, you see this is a mullion with a strut. It has parameters where you have an option. There is a variant with strut not required. So this is switched on and off. This is called the main profile. The rest is called the glazing. Glazing is what holds the glass. So it's a group of bars consisting out of inner gaskets, isolator, external gaskets, pressure plates, and cover in this case. When I do a double click here, I'm also in the edit dialog, where I can click parameters to change something. Number one is the clamping. There are 3 different clampings with 3 different gasket thicknesses defined in this. There are variants for the pressure plate and for the cover. For the pressure plate, we could have this one, the sloped pressure plate, where you can use this sloped profile. Or the other way around, let's go back to the straight one again. You can switch between the 15, 20, 25, 30 and half round cover plate. And this you can switch at any time. That's where we want to come to. At the end of the training videos, you will be able to create something like this on your own. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead with the next video where we start. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumb up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. For more information about ATHENA, please click the links below.